From complexity to simplicity, we have made maths easy. Welcome to Philemathics series. Subscribe now and let's make mathematics an exciting journey together.
The 13th question of 2025 Neco is on surd, and we're asked to simplify this surd. 5 root 12 minus 4 root 75 plus 3 root 48. And how we go about it is you ask yourself, what is the largest perfect square in 12, 75, and 48? So if you look at 12, you agree with me that 12 is 4 times 3. And so I can reduce this as 5 root 4 times 3 minus, if you look at 75, the largest perfect square inside is 25. So I can reduce it as 25 times 3. And finally, if you look at 48, I can reduce this as 16 times 3. 16 times 3. I mean, you could use 4, but 4 is not the largest perfect square. So 16 times 3. And I can split this to be 5 root 4 times root 3 minus 4 root 25 times root 3 plus 3 root 16 times root 3 from the laws of surd. And so root 4 is 2. So this is 5. 2 times root 3 minus 4. Root 25 is 5 times root 3. Root 16 is 4 times root 3. 2 times 5 is 10. So we have 10 root 3. Because 10 times root 3 is 10 root 3. Minus 5 times 4 is 20. And 20 times root 3 is 20 root 3. Plus 4 times 3 is 12. And 12 times root 3 is 12 root 3. And so we can easily add and subtract. 10 plus 12 root 3 is 22 root 3 minus 20 root 3. And finally, this is simply 2 root 3. And that's D. Thank you for watching.